here's a great trick for you. But first, I'm going to do a quick sketch. Now, I'm just using some chalk pastels for this. You could try pastels or chalk or even wax crayons to get this effect. Delicate bit in there. Now, just going to add in some highlights here. Little white highlight on the edge of things and the little clouds. Nice hazy sun at the end of the day. And there it is, a picture of two people horseback riding near the water's edge. But hold on, I hear you cry. Where is the water? Well, that's the trick. Next time you draw a picture and it comes to putting in the water, whether it's a river or the sea, don't put in the water. Just put in the reflections of things in the water. For example, I'm just going to put a hazy reflection of these horses in. Now, don't forget, reflections in water are always upside down because the water acts as a sort of mirror. Now, whenever you're looking at water, it's usually the reflections that you're seeing, not the water itself. For example, when you're looking at a nice blue sea, it's not the water that's blue, it's actually the reflection of the blue sky in the water. And now the reflections of all those little highlights cast by the sun. And there it is, water. And I haven't even drawn any water. Try it yourself. The next time it comes to putting water in your picture, don't. Just the reflections.
Oh, what a wonderful way of doing watery pictures. Don't draw the water, just draw the reflections. Hey, have a look at mine. Well, it's all dried up, hasn't it?